are some of the key steps for preparing for divorce? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, there's a lot of ways to prepare for divorce, but I'm going to outline right now some key things that over the years we've learned from our experience that are important in preparing for a divorce. Number one, gather your financial documents, hopefully in advance of filing. Get it all together. You got plenty of time before you file to gather your tax returns, brokerage statements, statements about gains or losses, profit and loss, these kinds of things. Gather those statements in advance. Number two, get an idea of what your goals and objectives are. Figure out what are the goals with the kids, with the asset, with the home. Is your goal to have the kids stay with you? Are we going with a shared situation? How are we going to split the assets? Do you want to stay at the home? Do you want to sell the home? What are your goals and objectives? Because your attorney's going to ask you, what do you want? And for you to say, well, I don't know, I was hoping you would tell me. It's better if you have some idea of where you're going to go with that. And therefore, consult with an attorney, preferably earlier in the process so that you can get some idea of what you're supposed to be looking for. What are the things that you're supposed to put in place as you begin this process? So consulting with an attorney and getting a framework within which to work is very helpful. And don't move out of that marital home unless your attorney tells you to, okay? Because if you start moving out, it's not that you abandon your property rights by moving out, but you're sort of creating a tone. And if you move out and you move out, for example, without the kids and you hope to get the kids, it's going to be very bad in the way of optics that you left the children in an environment which later on you're going to try to describe as, unhealthy for them. So that's going to be very difficult. So always keep in mind, don't move unless you're told to move. It's always a little different. I mean, if there's domestic violence or you have to avoid some kind of harm, it's something you need to talk to your lawyer about. But that would be an exception to the general proposition. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248-588-3333.